mean, it doesn't say like what size it is, like if it's for newborn or whatever. Oh, I see. There's like a little number 1 on here. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and I talk about frugal living, fitness motivation, and minimalism. In this video, I'm going to be going over my free baby registry gift from Amazon. So, I've been reading, watching YouTube videos, trying to learn all about this baby stuff. I learned that you can get free gift boxes from places that you build registries for. So far I've done one from Amazon. I'll leave a link below, but basically you need to be a Prime member or set up for a 30-day free trial, and that'll get you like the box checked for a Prime member. You have to build a registry, and if there's items you don't need or want to add, you can just like check the box, but there's like a checklist and you have to make sure each box is checked. And then you or somebody, friends or family, have to buy something from the registry that's I think at least $10. And then once that item ships, then you can go in and claim the free registry gift box. All right, so it's super simple. There's just a few steps. All right, so let's see what I got in my Amazon gift box. Ooh. Okay. So I'm still learning about like baby stuff and what's in need and what to want and all that kind of stuff. But I just want to give you an idea, like a learn as I go kind of thing of what I'm getting. Okay, so first we have Milk Flow Electrolytes breastfeeding supplement. Promote healthy breast milk supply, berry flavored. Okay, so this is apparently supposed to help you get your milk flow on. Got it. It's great taste, gluten-free, and non-GMO. This probably goes without saying, but this isn't sponsored. So, moving on. Okay, next we have a Prenatal Formula Smartypants vitamin. And it's got omega-3 fetal development, vitamin D3 for immunity, B12 for energy, vitamin K for bones, and it's lemon, orange, strawberry, banana, and other natural flavors, non-GMO. Okay, so some vitamins, and they're gummies, so that's cool. All right, next we have some baby lotion, natural oatmeal, natural oatmeal. Protects baby's sensitive skin for 24 hours. That's what it is, Aveeno. Okay, next we have Aquaphor Healing Cream Baby 3-in-1 Diaper Rash Cream, hypoallergenic, pediatrician recommended brand. So it looks like there's like a bunch of samples in here. I'll probably put all these little things in a diaper bag or keep in the car. Next we have Bessie's Best Lactation Cookies. Make more milk. Okay, it's oatmeal, peanut butter, chocolate chip. 1 cookie. So it's a cookie that apparently promotes breastfeeding milk supply. Okay. Next, there's a lot of stuff in here. Next we have water wipes, 99.9% water. There's 10 wipes in here. So the ingredients are water and like 0.1 grapefruit. So this is probably good for babies with like sensitive to smell, like fragrance-free kind of stuff. So I'll probably put that in a diaper bag. Next we have some detergent, laundry detergent for a newborn, baby's first laundry, hypoallergenic. I'm trying to see if it's like fragrance-free or whatever. It doesn't have like a fragrance name on here, so I guess it's fragrance-free. I mean, I don't really care, but I know like some parents care about that stuff. That's what it looks like. Okay. Then we have baby wash and shampoo with organic Calendula face and body. Gently cleanses and moisturizes baby's skin. Tear-free, hypoallergenic. So I'll keep this near the, wherever I wash the baby, I'll just keep this there. Okay. Next we have what appears to be a onesie. I'll open it. That's how it comes. I think it's a onesie. Oh yeah. It's a cute little gender neutral onesie. It's got rhinos and elephants on it, and I think, yeah, a lion and a turtle. Okay, cute. Let's see. Well, it says 3 to 6 months, so I can't put the baby in here when they're newborn. Made in Cambodia. Simple Joys by Carter's. Doesn't say if it's like 100% cotton or whatever. It says silky soft cotton styles. Okay. But anyway, onesie, pretty cute. Next is Easy Start Anti-Colic Plus Start Pacifier, ideal for combining with breastfeeding. Flat, soft nipple shaped like mama's nipple during breastfeeding. Okay, it looks like I can use this for, it says 0 months. Reduces air bubbles and colic for comfortable feeding for both you and your baby. Bonus pacifier inside. Innovative anti-colic system. So it looks like. Comes in this tiny little bottle. Oh, it's like a cute, oh, it's like a cute little teeny tiny pacifier in it. Okay, so this is like this, and then the bottom screws off. And that's how much you can put in it. Bottle. And then this top thing screws off. And it's got a teeny tiny bottle nipple thing on it. And this pacifier is so cute. I read that like babies need lightweight pacifier. or else they can't like hold it in their mouth, it just falls out all the time. Feels pretty lightweight, so that's cool. And it's by MAM, M-A-M. Cool. Okay. Then we have a pack of diapers. These are Huggies diapers, fragrance-free and clinically proven hypoallergenic, 100% breathable outer cover, flexible leg cuffs help keep mess in, Huggies wetness indicator. Okay, 3 in 1. Okay, so there's trying to figure out how many diapers are in here. Is it just one diaper? Six diapers in here. I don't see like where it says that, like the size. I mean, it doesn't say like what size it is, like if it's for newborn or whatever. This like, oh, I see. There's like a little number 1 on here. So I'm guessing that's like the smallest size they have for like newborns. Oh, it's on the front. I thought it was like a 3 in 1, like what it does. So up to 1, up to 14 pounds. So cool. And there's like a little line right here, like a wetness indicator, I guess it is. So cool. They got cute little patterns on it. I just have a feeling these are like super expensive if I wanted to buy like a box. So I'm probably not gonna buy more of these once these run out, you know? I'm just gonna get the most affordable diapers. Okay. Lastly, there's just like coupons in here for lotion, vitamins, formula, and there's information about the baby registry benefits. So this is the formula coupon. And this is another formula coupon for $3 off. And this is just information about the lotion sample and where I can get more if I want more. I think it's a pretty cool baby registry gift box. I think my favorite thing is this little bottle and this little pacifier. And then everything else I can put in a diaper bag and this cool little onesie. So I definitely think it's worth the time to go in, build a registry, to get this free little sample, because it kind of gives you an idea of what to compare things with. And if you didn't think about getting something, it might remind you like, oh yeah, I should probably get pacifiers. So stuff like that. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll see y'all next time.